from the endless expanse of space to the smallest vibration of an atom. Everything moves, everything hums, everything sings a song, the song of existence itself. Thousands of years ago, long before modern science discovered the concept of frequency and vibration, the sages of ancient India spoke a profound truth. Nāda Brahma. The universe is sound. In the Rig Veda, one of the world's oldest scriptures, it is written, "In the beginning was the sound." That primordial vibration was Om, the eternal syllable that birthed creation. This was not a metaphor. For the rishis, the seers, sound was the first principle, the invisible thread that connected matter, energy, and consciousness. They believed that the entire cosmos is woven by vibrations, and that by tuning into the right frequency, one could align with the very rhythm of the universe. The ancient Indian understanding of sound wasn't limited to music or speech. It was a science, Nāda Vidya, the study of cosmic vibration. Sound was classified into two forms, ahata, nada, the struck sound, the vibrations we hear through our ears. Anahata, nada, the unstruck sound, the eternal cosmic vibration that can only be experienced in the depths of meditation. When sages entered deep states of consciousness, they reported hearing the soundless sound, a hum, a pulse, the vibration of the universe itself. Modern science now tells us the same, that every atom, every photon vibrates at a certain frequency. The cosmos itself is a grand orchestra of resonance. The discovery of this truth gave rise to one of the greatest sciences of ancient India, the science of mantras. Mantras are not mere words, they are sound formulas, precise combinations of syllables and vibrations that create specific effects on the mind and environment. When a mantra is chanted correctly, it produces resonance patterns that can influence the energy field around the body, the brain waves, and even the subtle centers, the chakras. Just as a tuning fork vibrates in harmony with another of the same frequency, the human body too responds to these sacred sounds. That is why the sages declared, mantra is Shakti, sound is power. The understanding of vibration extended beyond the human body, into architecture itself. Ancient Indian temples were not just places of worship. They were energy resonance chambers. Each temple was built following precise Vastu Shastra principles, aligned with magnetic fields, energy flows, and cosmic directions. The placement of the Garbhagriha, sanctum, the materials used, and even the geometry of the dome, all served one purpose, to amplify and sustain vibrations. The ringing of bells at the entrance, the sound of conch shells, the rhythmic chants, were not rituals of faith alone. They were part of a scientific process of tuning the human mind and body to the divine frequency. When the entire temple resonated with mantras, the space became charged with positive energy, purifying thought, emotion, and even the surrounding environment. Among the four Vedas, the Sama Veda is entirely devoted to sound, the Veda of melody and rhythm. It describes how precise tonal patterns and chants could elevate the human consciousness. Every note had a purpose. Every rhythm mirrored cosmic cycles, day and night, lunar phases, the heartbeat of life itself. From this evolved Indian classical music, not just an art form, but a spiritual practice designed to harmonize the listener with the cosmos. Today, modern science is beginning to rediscover what the ancients knew intuitively. In the field of cymatics, researchers observe how sound frequencies can shape matter, forming intricate geometric patterns on sand or water. This mirrors the idea that vibration is the creative force behind form, that sound gives birth to structure. In quantum physics, everything, matter, light, thought, is seen as vibration. Even the space around us isn't empty. It vibrates with the subtle hum of existence. And in neuroscience, sound therapy and chanting have been shown to reduce stress, synchronize brain hemispheres, and promote healing. Could it be that the ancient sages, in their meditative states, directly experienced these subtle truths? Among all sacred sounds, Om, or Om, stands as the highest. Modern research has analyzed its vibrations. Chanting Om produces frequencies around 136.1 Hz, the same frequency associated with the Earth's rotation around the Sun. Studies show that chanting Om activates the vagus nerve, calms the mind, and synchronizes heart rhythms, leading to deep relaxation and expanded awareness. NASA's recordings of space frequencies, the hum of the cosmos, astonishingly resemble the sound of Om, as if the universe itself were chanting. In Indian philosophy, sound is not separate from matter. It is matter in its most subtle form. Just as a drop of water ripples across a pond, every thought, word, and emotion sends waves through the field of reality. This is why speech was considered sacred, why silence was revered, and why listening deeply was seen as a spiritual practice. For when you listen, truly listen, you begin to hear the hum beneath all creation. The sages of India were not merely mystics, they were scientists of consciousness. They mapped the inner cosmos with sound, vibration, and silence. And in their timeless wisdom, they whispered a truth that science is only now beginning to hear: that all of creation is music, that life itself is a song of divine resonance. Close your eyes for a moment, take a deep breath, and listen. Between every heartbeat, beneath every sound, the universe is still singing. That is Nāda Brahma, the sound of creation.
Please like, share, and subscribe to Timeless Indian Wisdom to be updated on the latest videos.